like 2 years. People are dying, big numbers. But still, I'm really not happy with people who don't listen. So therefore, now let's go to Corona now. Ebola, Tumuwangu Day, we have overcome Ebola after unnecessary losses of 56 people. We still have Corona. Corona, we should have the total number of people who were infected, who have been infected up to now, 170,000. Much lower than in many parts of the world. In some of the countries, people who died are more than 1 million. Forget about the ones who were infected. 1 million people died in one of the places. Here, total number infected, 170,000. Why? Because of the stringent measures we took. Sending 15 million children home. And in time. Abana bonna mudde yawaka. Biki okusoma biki abana abawala bagenda kufuna embuto kizibu naye embuto sikufa kizibu nakyo kiri awo tunakifunira eddagala, but it's not dying. These children are getting pregnant. It's a problem, but it's not dying. So all that confusion, people trying to divert us, to oppose. But you see, I think the Minister of Health should get time and show you total number of infections country by country, country by country, country by country. Then those who died, 3,632. If you compare with other countries, a big number, much more. But even here, we still have obujemu banantabuulirwa abasabala n'ababumba, the ones who who don't listen, who cannot be advised. Now, the biggest weapon initially, when Corona started, we went to the Bible. We went back 2,000 years. The story of the lepers who came and stood far and shouted at Jesus, said, "Lord, you help us." You can imagine 2,000 years ago, people knew you could avoid sicknesses by what we now call social distancing. That's what the lepers were doing. It was known. You don't omugenge tosemberera bantu, tosemberera. Lepers don't come near other people. They stood far and shouted. That's what we did with Corona when it started. Decongest, 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 decongest. Our children go home. The people in the markets, don't come to church services. Don't go to dances. It was the principle. Don't congest, don't congest. Because if you congest, it will be easy to. That's what we did that time. That was the main method. That's why we have 170,000, a population of 43 million. You go and compare with other countries. who are playing politics with this, not telling their people the truth. Good thing with this, of course, Corona was more serious than Ebola because it was going through the air, through breathing. That's why this social distancing was the solution. But the good thing is that unlike AIDS, humanity was able to develop a vaccine quickly. Quickly we got a vaccine, and as I speak now, we have got all the vaccines to vaccinate people.